Hi, today I've ready for POCO X5 and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the empty space on our home screen and then tap the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets we can add. For example, let's use the calendar widget. If you want to add the full moon or the shadow, we should just click on the widget and now it's just successfully added to our home screen. If you want to move the widgets on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it to the left or to the right side of the screen. If you want to resize it, we should just hold it for a while and just drag it. After that, we can see here that we can change it and we can make it bigger or smaller. If you want to remove it from the home screen, we should just hold it and tap it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.